Well, this is the week one lecture. We're going to start the semester with running. We're just going to dive right in. And you have to scroll down on the home page, and you see there's only 5 weeks, or 4 weeks listed. I'm sorry, excuse me. Um, each week I will do another one, put it in there, put the video, because remember, I'm running everything I do through Gemini. Gemini and I are working on this together. I know Gemini is not real, it's algorithms, okay? And so at the end of week one, we'll have week 5 down here, and so on and so forth. So you scroll down, let's open week 1, okay. In week 1, it's just getting to know you, getting to know some of my expectations in the course, getting to know each other, getting to know the course, getting back in the swing of college after the break, or if it's your first semester, just getting in with college at Texas A&M Corpus Christi. Okay, first thing I want to point out here is this is an intensive, fast-paced course. You have things due once a week, and then you have a whole week to work on them. I post lectures on Monday. You have to Friday to get the work done and get feedback. Saturday and Sunday, you still get points, but no feedback. After Sunday, you get half credit. I think April 28th is the last day to submit late work in the semester. That's all in the syllabus. Okay? I'm here to support you, but you need to be actively engaged in the course. Weeks 1 and 2, I will send you out a little reminder. Say, hey, you have this course, remember. Hey, you have this course. Remember. Have to do work. In week 3, I'll send a information to the retention specialists so they can reach out to you. After that, if you haven't responded to me at all, I drop it. So, weeks 1, 2, and 3, if I send you out emails and say, hey, what's going on? Let me know what's happening in your life. How can I help? If you don't respond to those, I don't engage anymore. I'll give you a midterm grade. It says, hey, you're doing poorly in the course. What's up? Again, it's up to you. And I send a welcome video, university services, care and assistance. Contact those people if you're having a really hard time. So, but letting people know early is the key to all this. Getting to know your activity. Well, I've already put you in groups of 5 people, so there may be 4 or 5 people in your group. And to find out, here's the people link. Here's everyone in the course. Groups. Here's all the groups. If you go to everyone, and I'm just going to pick on the first name, Emily, I don't know you yet. It says, here's your member of support group 10. And I can't get into it because I'm not Emily. Okay. So those are your support groups. Those are the people you're going to work with and talk to for the whole semester. Remember, there's no graded work due. And if your group's falling apart and you still have to respond to people, just pick somebody out of the discussion forum and respond to their discussion. The onus on participating in this course is on you. So what's the icebreaker activity? Well, take or find a photo of yourself interacting with the world. A pet, on the beach, on campus, at work. You're going to post that picture, and it's going to be embedded into the discussion forum, and here's a link on how to do that. And you're going to write a short reflection on that photo. Okay? How it says about you. And you're going to engage with somebody in your group. And if you have any questions about the course so far, ask the question in that discussion post. I'll go through all the discussions. I'll read them. I'll answer the questions in the discussion. Okay? I want to remind everybody about the extra credit opportunity on Wednesday. Now, the extra credit, go back to our home page, is going to be posted extra credit in week 1. You're posted here. Do not post it in the discussion because you won't get any extra credit for it. It has to be posted in the proper link. Okay? So, and here's comments. Here's some things. My teaching style, the correct way to email me, policies on late work extensions and resubmissions. Okay? If you want extra credit, there's a way to get it. Here's a checklist of what you have to do. Again, what I was talking about. Friday's a target. Saturday, full credit, no feedback after Sunday. All right. And then if you want this in a PDF form, here's the PDF form for it. Okay, that's all for this video. Again, very important. If you have questions, email me. If you have specific personal questions, if you have general questions, well, you can post them in the extra credit, and I can give a general answer. That's all. Bye for now.